Welcome to EDpuzzle. I'm going to show you an overview of how to use EDpuzzle to embed some questions in a video. If you already know of a video that you want to utilize, you can copy its URL, search it here, and hit the search tab. Most of your videos are going to come up in here, so that shouldn't be a problem. If you don't know what video you want to utilize, then you can look at the popular channels down here and search for something that makes sense for your content area. So I'm going to go out to National Geographic and I'm going to do a search on global warming. And let me just pick a video here. So let's say I want to use this video. Okay, I'm going to click on the video, and the nice thing here is that you can preview it here without having to go anywhere else. You can kind of do everything in here. If I decide that this is the one that then I want to use, then I'm going to hit the edit button over here to the right, and you'll see that it takes you into the first step. So cropping the video would be the first step. Now this video is only 5 minutes and 27 seconds long. Maybe I decide, oh, I don't want that introduction in material, so I'm going to go here, and maybe I want to clip off the ending. Okay, so cropping your video is really easy. You just click and drag those red bars to get the piece of video that you want. Okay, when you are finished with that, you can go to the next step. Voiceover is the next thing on the menu. Very rarely do I see people use this feature, and that's because if you're going to do a voiceover, you're actually recording over the entire video, new audio. Okay, so most people do not need that concept. However, here are audio notes, and if you want to insert some audio notes, that's great. Basically, you would just find a place in the video that you want to start, and you would click here to add an audio note. You have to allow your microphone, and then you just speak and it will record your voice. So those are pretty cool. That will freeze the screen as well. So if a student is watching, it comes to an audio note, the screen freezes and they click to hear your audio note. Okay, so you can use that just like you use questions. The step that most people skip to then is quizzes. So same thing with quizzes. You can go to anywhere in the video that you want to insert your first question, and then you just click on the question mark here and a box will come up to the right. So it automatically opens to the open-ended option, but you could also go to multiple choice if you want. And note with multiple choice that you can select which answer is correct. You can even select that more than one answer is correct if you want to. And note here with open-ended or the multiple choice, you can also add other content. So I can add a hyperlink out to something. I can add a photo. So don't feel like you're limited. The third option here is annotation. So maybe you just want to say something, add some information, but you're not asking a question. So basically you build your questions. Once you are finished, you save them, and then you hit finish up in the corner. Note that if I build something here, and then I want to keep going and build something else, I just click save and then continue, and my video is going to continue for me. Okay, so maybe the next question I want to insert is over here, and then I can continue with my questions. Okay, so when I'm all finished, I'm going to hit finished up in the right hand corner. And note that then it's going to ask me to assign it to a class. For the purpose of this assignment, what you're going to do is go over to the public links. You're going to copy this link right here. You can hit copy link, and it copies it to your clipboard. And then you're going to paste that link into VB Learn where the assignment is due. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully this helps you to understand the way that EDpuzzle works. Thanks.